Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase cybersecurity with RSA Security, complete guide step by step clearly. In today's digital age, prioritizing cybersecurity is essential for any organization. Using RSA security tools can significantly bolster your defenses against cyber threats. First, assess your current cybersecurity posture. Identify vulnerabilities in your existing systems and processes. Conduct regular security audits to stay on top of potential risks. Next, familiarize yourself with RSA Security's product offerings. RSA offers solutions for identity and access management. Their fraud prevention tools can protect against unauthorized access. Explore how RSA's risk-based authentication can enhance security for users. Implement adaptive authentication measures based on user behavior. This helps in minimizing the risk of breaches. Next, consider integrating RSA Secure ID. It provides multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Incorporate it across all sensitive systems and applications. Educate your employees about the importance of cybersecurity. Conduct regular training sessions on recognizing phishing attacks. Empower staff to report suspicious activities immediately. Utilize RSA's analytics solutions to monitor network activity. Real-time insights can help you detect anomalies swiftly. Deploy the RSA Archer platform for risk management. It helps in automating compliance and identifying risks effectively. Establish clear incident response plans with RSA tools. Ensure your team knows how to act quickly and efficiently in case of a breach. Continuously monitor and update your cybersecurity strategies. Stay informed about the latest threats and RSA's evolving solutions. By regularly reviewing and adapting your cybersecurity measures, you can safeguard your organization more effectively. With consistent application of RSA security tools, you strengthen your overall security stance. Each step brings you closer to a more secure digital environment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.